Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzur Madganai, lecturer history. Our today's topic for 12th class students of history subject is what were the main principles of Mahayana and Hinayana sectors of Buddhism. Dear students, as you know that Buddhism was founded by Mahatma Gautam Buddha in 6th century BC. With the passage of time, disputes and problems and divisions erupted in Buddhism, and with the purpose to solve the disputes in Buddhism, different conferences were held in ancient times, and these conferences were known as Buddhist councils. And the purpose of these Buddhist councils was to sort out the differences, discuss the differences among various teachings and sects of Buddhism, and lead to a final solution of the disputes. And these councils which were held to solve the disputes within Buddhism. 4 such Buddhist councils were held in ancient times, and the 4th Buddhist council is believed to have held in Kashmir during the rule of Kushan ruler Kanshika. It is believed that the saints and scholars of Buddhism were called from different parts of India and world to discuss the differences and disputes in Buddhism. As a result of this 4th Buddhist council, which was held in Kashmir under Kushan ruler Kanshika, the Buddhism was divided into 2 sects, the Hinayana sect and the Mahayana sect. And both these sects had a different beliefs with regard to the teachings of Mahatma Gautam Buddha and Buddhism. Let us discuss what was the difference between the teachings or principles of Hinayana and Mahayana sects of Buddhism. Number 1. Hinayana sect continued to support the older traditions of Buddhism. Means that Hinayana sect continued to believe that Mahatma Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism and began to consider him a human being, a superhuman being, a very pious, sacred human being, and began to practice this Buddhism as was preached by Mahatma Gautam Buddha. On the other hand, the Mahayana sect adopted the new forms and principles with changing time. So Hinayana sect adopted the ancient traditions, ancient path which was shown by Mahatma Gautam Buddha. They followed that, and Mahayana sect, this path adopted new changes and norms with the passage of time. Number 1. Number 2, Hinayana sect considered Buddha as a pious person, pious man, as a pious soul. But the Mahayana sect considered Buddha as the manifestation of God, means a God himself, small g. It is believed that Hinayana sect never considered Mahatma Gautam Buddha God but a pious soul and prophet. But Mahayana sect considered him the God himself and began to worship him. Number 3. Hinayana sect continued to preach in Pali language, which was the language used by Mahatma Gautam Buddha to teach the people. But the Mahayana sect began to preach in Sanskrit, which was difficult and tough. Number 4. Hinayana sect was opposed to any change in the teachings of Buddhism, but the Mahayana sect believed in many changes in Buddhism as per the need of the hour. Number 5. Hinayana sect supported countries of Southern Asia like India, Sri Lanka, Burma, but the Mahayana sect spread to northern countries of Asia like Japan, China, Nepal, and Tibet. Number 6. Hinayana sect did not gain that popularity, and the Mahayana sect, which changed with the changing times, became popular and widespread. Thank you.